Here are the 2023 year-to-date median home values for Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding cities. And here's how those home values compare to 2022. We can see that 6 of the 12 locations show a negative home value growth year on year, but that doesn't mean that home values have stopped growing. Here's the average annual home value growth for 2019 to 2023. We can see where the home value growth has dipped into the negative over the last 5 years. The average annual appreciation should be approximately 4 to 6%, but real estate is a long-term investment and these highs and lows average out. Let's prove this theory by looking at our appreciation maps. In 2023, all locations but Northwest Portland and Tigard are below the benchmark. The 5-year average shows all locations within or above the benchmark except North Portland. The 10-year average shows all locations within or above the benchmark, and the 20-year average shows all locations within the benchmark.